Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update the game and equip the signal detector so you can see wireless nodes. Once done, go straight to downtown rooftop. The antenna spawns there frequently. You don't need extra prep, just the gadget and a clear path. As you approach, scan slowly and mark the antenna on your minimap. Make sure to avoid falling hazards while you position yourself because a respawn will reset the node timer and waste your effort. Once at the antenna base, climb carefully and secure a stable stance. You'll need to stay within 3 to 5 meters for a clean lock. Now use the detector's tuning wheel, turn it slowly until the meter centers on the 5G band. You'll feel vibration and hear a tone when tuned correctly. That's your cue. After you lock, hold position and defend the node for about 30 seconds because nearby physics events can break the connection if you rush away. Activate the antenna by pressing the assigned input and watch for the blue halo and confirmation chime. That signals a successful 5G link. Once active, open your HUD to confirm the 5G icon and increase data speed perks. If you don't see the buff, make sure you stayed within range during activation. Troubleshooting. If activation fails, step away, reload the area to respawn the antenna, then retune slowly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.